Fulfill your dreams of living in a charm-filled marina and waterway community at Villa number 96 in Mariners Point. Hidden under magnificent oaks, just blocks from the historic Little River waterfront, and connected to the Atlantic by its most majestic waterway, Mariners Point offers gated security and limitless amenities, including a private club, large waterfront pool, and over 100 boat slips available for sale or lease. Completely remodeled, this privately situated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath end villa offers an open floor plan with an updated customized kitchen and large bay windows. The living room features volume ceilings, a fireplace, and built-in custom cabinetry. Adding to the versatile floor space are luxurious amenity-filled bathrooms, an additional loft, extensive trim detail, and tile floors. Also included are a separate laundry room, enclosed full-access porch and private patio, LED and designer lighting, soundproof flooring, and high-impact windows and doors. Don't miss the chance to own this spectacular waterway home, close to the area's best shopping, entertainment, dining, and golf, and to be a part of the Mariners Point community.